Are you finding ways to automate your workload, never hire an assistant, and boost your productivity? Listen, 90% of users are using AI technology to automate their tasks, and you're not using it and you're left behind. Out of thousands of AI out there, here are the top 10 AIs that will help you multiply your productivity and time. Number one is the ChatGTP extension. It provides AI-powered writing assistant directly within your browser, and it assists you in generating high quality content, brainstorming ideas, and improving your writing skills. And it often offers suggestions for sentence completion, alternative word choice, and grammar correction, just like Grammarly. The second one is ChatGTP Chaton AI, and it has GTP3 and GTP4 version for search engine. It utilizes the power of ChatGTP 3 and 4 models to provide an enhanced search engine experience, and it offers intelligent response and generate relevant search results based on your search queries. It helps users find information, answer questions, and explore various topics efficiently without wasting his time googling down and seeing those irrelevant ads. Number three is the YouTube Summary AI, and if you're a type of person who watch a lot of educational videos and seems consuming your time, well, this is the AI for you. It automatically generates summaries of YouTube videos and transcript, provides concise and informative summaries of video content, and enables users to quickly grasp the main points and the highlight of the video without watching the entire video. The fourth one is the snippet, and I call it the podcast summarizer, same as the YouTube summarizer. Basically, it summarizes podcast episodes to save you more time and insights. It extracts important main points, quotes, and ideas from the podcast, and allow users to skim through the summaries and decide which episode to listen in full. Fifth one is Futurepedia, and if you're the type of person who doesn't like to look a lot of trends and research and take the time and stuff, this AI is for you. It's a comprehensive knowledge base and prediction platform that provides information and insights about future trends, technologies, and events, and it helps you to stay informed about informed decisions about future projections that will help you hop on trend easily. The sixth one is the Combo AI for graphics, for pictures, or generating images with prompts. It helps you generate realistic images using AI algorithms, allow users to put specific image descriptions or keywords, and automatically creates corresponding images based on provided description. Basically, this AI is specialized in customizing your image based on your prompts, keywords, etc. Now, the seventh AI is what we call Rewind AI. This is perfect for those who are always constantly forgetting what did they search, what did they look, and this, then this, and that. With Rewind AI, it enables you to rewind content, search history, images, videos, etc. just by typing keywords or phrases. If you tend to forget a lot, this productivity tool will help you save lot more time. The eighth one is perfect for content creators and digital creators, digital marketers, etc. because this AI will help more specifically to hop on trends. Viral Views AI predicts the viral potential of social media content, and it analyzes various factors to estimate the likelihood of content going viral, and it helps content creators and marketers optimize their strategies for maximum reach and potential leads, sales, and new audience that will love your content. This is the best AI for content creators. The ninth AI that I'm about to show you is PAPERCUP, an AI dubbing content which is powered platform for dubbing video content in multiple languages, and you don't need to hire a translator just like Mr. Beast and his different language channels, because it provides high quality and natural sounding voiceovers that is humanoid using AI generated voices, and it allows content creators to expand their audience by reaching viewers in different languages without spending or hiring a real person. Then the 10th one is Browse AI. Browse AI is a internet information scraper. Basically, it automatically collects and organizes information from the internet. It helps users to gather data from different websites, news articles, and online sources all in one. And lastly, it facilitates research, data analysis, and content creation in the process. And hold on, this is not the last AI, because I'm about to show you the bonus part perfect for students, colleges, business owners, or employees, and use that AI to automate to design their PPT, PowerPoint presentation, slideshow, etc. And that AI is the number 11, Tom AI. Tom AI is a AI-powered tool for creating engaging presentations, assists in generating slides, content, and visual elements all in one. And it provides recommendations and suggestions to improve the overall quality and impact of presentations without even brainstorming about different ideas, without having complicated criterias and evaluation, etc. and so forth. I know that you will enjoy this another video which talks about how ChatGTP will help you boost your affiliate marketing strategy and get those leads, get those sales, and build your email marketing campaign and automate your business. Watch this because I know you will enjoy it.